love windows. I love style. I love quality.
Certainly you will love them because we provide you the reason to do so. We are window expert, fenestration professionals. The perfect blend of the state-of-art machinery and fine craftsmanship produces the real masterpiece to decor your home with. Proper customer guidance, pre-job discussions, and quality inspection enables us to offer the real customer satisfaction. With our high quality standards and pristine business ethics, we are the leading manufacturers of system sliding windows in Nasik. We are Window Expert.